this video, I will be using oil pastel and watercolour to make a sheep. I will be using watercolour, some brushes, a pot full of water, a rag, oil pastels and watercolour paper. To start, pick an oil pastel and do the body of the sheep, which will be scribbles in the form of a circle. Then choose which watercolour you would like to use and go over the body. Next, using the same oil pastel, draw some legs for the sheep. Using the same oil pastel, draw an oval for the head. Then using watercolour, outline the face, but leave a small gap at the chin. After that, blend the watercolour into the face. Then, using black watercolour, give the sheep ears, a mouth and eyes. Then, use a lighter watercolour and paint inside the outline of the ear. Then, using the watercolour you used for the head and the body, paint on the legs. Now, go over the ears, eyes and mouth so they are darker and more visible. Then, using the same oil pastel, draw the neck and using the same watercolour, paint over the neck. Using a pencil, draw some hills for the background. Then, using the lightest green oil pastel, draw some grass for the hill in the front. And using the second lightest green oil pastel, draw grass on the hill behind. Now use light green watercolour and paint on the front hill, and use the darker green to paint the hill in the back. After that, use a white oil pastel to draw some clouds and use light blue watercolour to paint the sky. Finally, use a brown oil pastel to draw a broken fence on the hill and give the sheep a tail. And hopefully your sheep looks something like this.